We believe in the beauty of art, whether it's in the homes that we build or in a passion and process of making. Art exists in many forms and it inspires us and shapes the way that we live. We created the Gryphon Artisan Series to recognize artistry across all trades and to showcase the arts of living.
I appreciate all sorts of art, visual art, performing art, dance. It's a form of expression. It is a way to inject beauty into the world, a way to start conversations.
Over the next few months, we'll be hosting a series of free, community-based workshops in collaboration with local artisans. This is a platform where we can continue to create with the community and share our philosophy. Art brings people together, and we're so excited to be hosting the Gryphon Artisan Series. Art lives here.